Step 1. Start by choosing a day for meal prepping, such as Sunday, and dedicating a few hours. Step 2. Plan your meals for the week, considering your dietary needs, preferences, and schedule. Step 3. Browse recipes online or in cookbooks for healthy and delicious meal ideas that you'll enjoy. Step 4. Create a shopping list based on the recipes you've chosen, noting all the ingredients required. Step 5. Head to the grocery store and purchase all the necessary ingredients on your carefully curated shopping list. Step 6. Wash and chop all vegetables and fruits. Store them properly to maintain freshness for the week. Step 7. Prepare your protein sources, such as grilling chicken or baking tofu, and portion them out. Step 8. Cook grains like rice, quinoa, or pasta in large batches to have them ready for different meals. Step 9. Assemble your meals in individual containers, ensuring you have a balance of protein, carbs, and veggies. Step 10. Allow the prepped meals to cool down completely before sealing them in airtight containers. Step 11. Store your prepped meals in the refrigerator, usually good for 3 to 5 days for easy access throughout the week. Step 12. Enjoy your healthy, pre-made meals, saving time and effort during busy weekdays and reducing unhealthy impulse choices.